building new engineering products and companies is extremely difficult. In fact, it's 10 times more risky than building the average tech startup. What we've found is there's a huge amount of support for tech startups in Australia and globally, but there's very little support if you're a founder trying to build an engineering product or company. If you're building software, one little mistake is fine, you can change the line of code and fix it. One little mistake in building a complicated engineering product can be the death of the product and your company. The Melt takes principles developed in Silicon Valley and applies them to developing new, innovative engineering products. The benefit of the Melt is it brings everything together. So the first thing is we bring capital. The second thing is we bring expertise and mentorship to help face your business challenges. And importantly, we bring this whole building, which has tools, it has 20 engineers. They're all here to help take your idea to prototype and then scale globally. So some of the biggest roadblocks for hardware startups, they just don't know where to start. So really the Melt solves that by having you supported by a wide range of mentors and experts that can help you with all of those engineering challenges.
We're using wearable technology to predict and prevent asthma attacks in children. With all of the engineering capacity and talent that's on hand at the Melt, I have been able to fast track my product research and development. And truly there's really nothing like the Melt in Australia, so I'm very thankful and grateful to be part of it.
So some of the benefits for corporates are, we are really like an outsourced R&D service. So we can take your idea, put it through the same process and help de-risk it. Then we can build the prototypes in this building. And then importantly, we've got great partnerships globally with large-scale manufacturers that can take that prototype that we develop here and help you scale and take that to the world.
The resource base and the diversity in the skills and the capability that the Melt brings to the table. They're not people or resources that we have internally within Cube, so we need to leverage that skill capability to be successful.
I think it's a great light space, but I think you're bringing together some fantastic skills, the engineering skills, the software skills, the ability to be very agile, but it's important, obviously, to have this culture of innovation.
We want to develop world-class new and innovative products. We want to support the next generation of founders in the hardware space in Australia to take on the world. And we want to build a really strong ecosystem around corporate Australia and the startup ecosystem and bring those together in this sort of engineering and hardware space, which is really, we think, an Australian first.